I look kind of not like myself for some reason. It's probably the sleep deprivation. I'm gonna show you guys my everyday fall makeup look because I need content and I have to go to work, so I can't like film a Halloween makeup situation like I wanted to. So I'm gonna start off with my eyes. I keep it super sweet, super cute, super simple, especially for fall. Like I do the thing, but I also like to be innovative. I don't go all out, but I do be priming my eyelids with this concealer from e.l.f. in the shade light beige. By the way, how I do my eyebrows now is I just clean them up with concealer and then I like fill them in later. I like a super natural brow. The lighting is super weird. Why am I like now white? Hello? Damn, shawty growing a unibrow. What the? Soon as that is set in place or like just put down, I set it in place with some white powder. I literally look like an angel. Hi. This is the powder that I've been using. It's the Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, I believe, in Original. I'm just gonna set them. I feel like I'm explaining way too much. Y'all get the gist. Like, because we wear masks now and people can't really see your lips, I haven't really been focusing much on lips. Like the other day I did a maroon lip and it looked fire, like straight fire. I was like, damn, shawty's bad as fuck. And then I was like, damn, the work husband ain't even gonna be able to see this hoe. Does it even matter? What? Now that we got the eyes prepped, I'm gonna use this palette today. This is my go-to palette for just like browns and warms and neutrals because it's simply made for brown and neutrals and cream colored girls, simply. And that is the logic behind me always using this palette. Anyways, she's a little dirty, but it'll do, you know what I mean? Where are all my brushes? The lighting is gonna be really weird. Anyways, so basically for this look you're gonna need 2 to 3 brown shadows and they're all gonna be differentiating in like deepness. I'm gonna take this shade, Ginger. This is like my favorite shade in this palette. It's just such a pretty brown. I'm gonna take this small brush and literally place it right there across my lower lash line, very messily. Highly messy. It doesn't really matter type shit. This could be a lot easier if you had tape. Unfortunately, I do not have tape, but if I did have tape, I would simply put tape right along the outer edge of my eye. We're gonna get into the little more serious part. A little harder, still very doable. Like, don't even trip, like, we got this, it'll be fine. I'm going to take the shade Credit, which is a really dark, beautiful mocha brown, and I'm gonna create like a wing, pretty much, with an angled brush this time, but like inside the brown mess we just created. Now that that's done, I go back in with Ginger, which is the lighter brown, and I literally smudge the whole thing. Yes, sir. So, and if it's not really like clean at the bottom, we're not even gonna worry about that because once we do all the foundation and all the things, we can clean it up later, so it just doesn't matter. It doesn't look like all that right now, but later it's gonna be so cute and sweet. For primer today, I'm gonna be using Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer Base. I need to buy more of this. This is like my favorite primer. It's always just a go-to. Lately, I've been using this one, just a little cheaper, a lot cheaper. It's the Infallible Pro Glow Lock. And this just makes my skin feel kind of supple, but like this is like literally running out. I need to buy more makeup. I'm actually gonna use some of this one as well. We shall move on to foundation. Foundation today, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty in the shade 250. And then I'm also gonna use L'Oreal Pro Glow in the shade 209 Caramel Beige. I mix these together and they create a really nice foundation. Mix it up on the back of my hand, it creates literally this shade, which is my shade. It's like so hard to find my actual shade. I kind of just eyeball it every time. The most popular video on my channel is like this video of me doing clown makeup for Halloween, and I did like the makeup, but I feel like I could do it a lot better and I really wanted to recreate it. I also just do clown makeup every Halloween. Like, it's literally like a tradition. I always do like a clown makeup tutorial, but I don't know if I want to change it up and do a different type of clown, or if I want to recreate last year's look just because it was so cute and because I got a lot of like like compliments on it, but like also a lot of suggestions on how I could have made it better. I'm probably only gonna have the time to do one Halloween video this year, so I don't want to fuck it up. I just don't think like I should spend like all my time trying to do Halloween videos when Halloween hardly exists this year, you know what I mean? I guess I still want to indulge a little, but no, I'm not going to make that my one and only priority, you dig? For concealer, I went in with the same e.l.f. concealer. I like to wait for it to literally dry down. This is all the concealer that I apply. I've been refraining from putting concealer on my nose because simply it just breaks up on my nose, doesn't look good, so I'm like, scratch that. I think it's really important to do your makeup to fit you and your skin. Quit fucking trying to follow all these trends, all these videos. Do what works for you. I'm gonna blend it out with my sponge. Yeah, I'm gonna set with the same translucent powder, but a different sponge. This is a Real Technique sponge that's literally made for powder. And then I just blend that whole in with this brush. Here we go, we got that matte skin finish going on. It's getting more fall. Period, sissies. All right, now I'm gonna go in with bronzer. This is my freaking favorite part. I love bronzing my face. Just brings so much life and dimension back into the skin, which I live for. Bronzer that I'm gonna use today is the NYX Matte Bronzer. This is in the shade Deep Tan, and I've been using this brush specifically for it for literally ever. I hit my, what's it called? Forehead? The cheekbones, I literally just go like this in an upwards motion. And for the sake of this video, and for the sake of the fact that I'm not gonna be wearing a mask for the outro of this video, I'm gonna put some on my nose and right here on my chin. My all-time favorite blush, if I can find her, because my counter's kind of messy. I think I found it. This is the Tarte blush in the shade Dazzled. I literally put my blush all the way back here and pull it into my hairline, pretty much. It just like pulls your face up. My brows lately, I've just been like, who gives a fuck? It doesn't even matter. So I've been using this, which this is all I use. I think this is all I've been using in my videos. I can't even remember, to be honest. But this is what I use. It is the Anastasia brow powder, I think. So I get an angled brush by Morphe, typically this one, and I just fluff my brows out with some of this brow powder right quick. It takes like literally 60 seconds. So they're filled in, so now I'm gonna set them in place with my brow gel. This is the same as brow gel I've been using for like years. Now I'm gonna do some eyelashes off camera. Go big or go home. I don't think this isn't the right casing for these either, but I think I could definitely find these and put them in the description. These are fire. So I'm gonna put them on real quick with some Duo lash glue, and then we'll be right back. All right, so these are what the lashes looks like. You either love them or you hate them. There's no in between. I personally think that I love them, so I continue to wear the frick out to them. I'm gonna do my lower lash line really quick, which consists of me using ginger and literally sweeping that on the outer corner of my eyeball. After that, I added some mascara. The mascara that I use is Tarte's Maneater. This is one of my fave mascaras. It's really good. I definitely recommend this one. My signature lately has been fake freckles. I've been freaking doing them non-stop, and I'm going to show you how I do them because I do get a lot of compliments and a lot of questions on them, and it's like literally just like so simple to me for what I do. I keep it cute but very simple. I take this, which is my eyebrow powder stuff. It comes with a darker powder and a lighter powder. I use the lighter powder, and then I take this angled brush from e.l.f. and I take the very tip of it, dip it in the lighter powder, get a bigger mirror because you're gonna need a bigger mirror than the one that comes with. I start on just the sides of my nose. Like I really just create a bunch of dots and then I spread them outwards slowly. Don't think too much about it. Make some darker than others, some lighter. I usually tend to go lighter the closer I get to underneath my eye. I also like to add some like right up here on my forehead. And once I'm done with that, I take my sponge and I lightly dab them just so they're not as harsh. Bruh, I found it. Today I'm gonna use the Disney Villains ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter. Look at that packaging, baby. This is in the shade Fairest of All, and look at that. Yes, it's just like very golden. This really just depends. You can do a maroon lip if you're trying to be that big. Today I'm feeling like very sandy, more brownish, so I'm gonna go in with a lip liner from NYX, if I can find it. Once we have the lip liner on, I'm going to use a lipstick from Milani. This is in the shade 69 Matte Beauty. Once I have that, I'm gonna add one more lippy. I'm gonna top this off with the what am I talking about? The NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. This is my favorite soft matte lip cream. I love to use it for lip highlights. Alright guys, and there you guys have the finished look. This is my go-to warm, sultry, caramel fall look. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I can't even fathom hitting 3K because I feel like I just hit 1K like yesterday. But then again, I haven't been active on my channel. Anyways guys, I love you so much, and I hope you guys recreate this look, and if you do, tag me. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.